Hey, what's up, y'all? This is my first day back. Doing rideshare on my side hustle. So I'm gonna see what it's like over here. So that's what we're doing. Welcome to my channel, Royal Life of Prince Hakeem. Go ahead and kiss my crown. No, I'm just playing. But this is what we're doing. I'm about to get started now. I haven't did this in years. So let's see how this goes. Okay. Let's cut on the app. February. They said February 2020 was your biggest month. You made $3,473. See the best time to come back and earn. Plan my drive. No, I'm finna go online now. Go online. Let's see. Let's see what they have to offer. They said looking for rides. I haven't did this in so long. I hope I can remember how to do this. And I hope my car connect. Okay. Maybe I need to drive closer somewhere. Because right now, I'm in the boondocks. So, let me drive closer somewhere. Okay, y'all, so I just did my first ride. It was 5:24, like right up the street. So that was my first ride. As soon as I was about to cut on my camera and come and talk to y'all, the ride came through. So that was one ride down. I'm gonna see what today bring. I got out here early. I left the house like 6:30ish, I think. So then I stopped by the store and I tried to get me a jug of water and some breakfast, but they was taking too long with the breakfast. So that's probably too loud and I don't know if I could play that. But yeah, I tried to stop and get me some breakfast, so yeah. And they took too long. I wanted some sausage and gravy, and then they had like a chicken biscuit sandwich. I was gonna try that as well, but yeah. So we out here in these streets today. Hey, turn up. So I don't really know my way around here like that.
In 300 feet, turn right on Southeast 36th Avenue.
Yo, I just got a ride from the same person. I should have just stayed in the area. Now I gotta go back and pick her up and drop her off. I don't know. It probably was cheaper for her to... I don't know why she didn't do a round trip. I don't know. But I guess it is what it is. So, yeah. We gonna see. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright, y'all. Welcome back. Woo! I had a little good morning. I had a good morning. I'm just now waking up from a nap. I went back in about what was it? 12. I think I came back in about 11, 12. 11 something going on 12. I think I came back in and handled some business, and I took me a nap, like an hour nap or a 30-minute nap, I can't remember, but I took a nap, and it is now 3:17, and I'm about to get back in the field for a little bit because I got a goal that I'm trying to hit so I can start getting this stuff together for this you know what. For this you know what. Oh my thing, this thing is I'll be glad when that scab go away. But yeah, I'm about to get back out here in the field, so y'all stay tuned, and I'll be coming back to check in with y'all. Hey, y'all. Alright, so I'm about to wrap up this video. I've been dashing for, it's been about, I think this is going to be my 4th day. Yeah, today's gonna be my 4th day. It is, what's today? It is Tuesday. But I started on Friday and today is Tuesday. So I did Friday, Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday. So today is my 4th day. And I recorded some of the process, but I didn't record too much. But I promise, it's about to get lit. 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 Y'all know I'm rebuilding my life from scratch in my late 30s. So yeah, it's about to get lit. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I don't even know what it's gonna look like because I haven't even I haven't even edited it yet. So when I edit it, I'll go see exactly what I was doing or what I was coming to y'all saying, like, and I might add some clips of the Super Bowl party that I went to. Is y'all ready? Hey, Paul, hey, shots up, man. Y'all know the chant? Y'all up with it, down with it. Huh? Why would we wait to halftime?
Happy birthday!
Oh, Jeffrey Dahmer, get in the front. Oh, come on, Dahmer, get up there, bro.
You're talking about Jeffrey Dahmer. I'm scared.
Hey, look, this family right now.
Stop talking!
I'm dead.
Let's go!
Happy birthday, 1, 2, 3. Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday.
Look.
Hey, hold on, real quick.
Yeah, I'm gone. I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. If you are new, make sure when you subscribe, you hit that bell button so you'll be notified when I drop another banger. And it's gonna get real. It's getting real. I got a special surprise for y'all. I love y'all.